Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable and customize Do Not Disturb mode on your Amazon speaker. Okay, so first of all we have to go for the devices, tap on the Echo and Alexa, select our speaker and go simply for this button. As you can see right here, we can quickly turn on and turn off this mode, but we can also customize it by going to the settings. As you can see, right now we can set the schedule. So we can start wherever we want and also finish. So we can stay with this option. Click to synchronize. Okay, there is only one device, so there will be no synchronize option with other devices. And when you go here for another time, you will see that this option stays right here. And that's also the information. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.